Hi there, Catherine here, and I have the Creative Memories Secret Box number 1 for 2026. There's going to be 5 secret boxes, and this is the first one. If you purchase all 4, then in December you will be able to purchase the 5th one. You have an opportunity to purchase the 5th one. So anyway, big disclaimer here. If you want to open it for the virtual crop and see what's in it with everybody else, then stop watching now. Go ahead and watch some of my other videos. There's plenty others out there, but for now, I'm going to be revealing what is in secret box number 1. So if you don't want to know, go ahead and watch some of my other videos, and then you can watch this one later. All right, so let me get my little handy knife out here. And we will see what's in here. It's exciting. All right, let me grab if my, no, I was trying to see if my sheet was in there. All right, so what we have, these are, now some of this is not part of the secret box. These are things that I ordered. There's my sheet. I didn't want my address broadcast. So anyway, these are things separate from the secret box, so we'll put those aside till later. And then this is the secret box. Do not open until the February virtual crop. However, I am going to open mine today. And if you all have yours, you can do the same. Open along with me. Or if you want to wait, then of course I recommend go ahead and turn this off now. Watch something else. All right, secret box number 1. How fun is this? Oops. Well, okay. There we go. Secret box number 1. Drum roll. Woohoo! Packaged very nicely. Get project ideas for secret box number 1 products. So you can connect with us in the virtual crop group for monthly crops, and there's a little QR code there. All right. So, here is our, and it's a frame punch. I love frame punches because you can make borders with it or a frame. I love those. You can kind of see right there what it's like. Let's see. Oh, pretty. It's kind of like a sunburst, and then there's, that looks like clouds. I have to see it punched. Oh yeah, because there's clouds in the paper. That's what it is. It's a sunburst and clouds. So the sun's coming out through the clouds. Love it. We are supposed to get snow. I am in North Carolina. We rarely get snow. Well, not rarely. We do get it occasionally, but yeah, this has been a bad winter. Ooh, golden hour. What have we got? Fun embellishments. You want to look at the embellishments first or the papers? I already got the embellishments started. So we've got definitely a theme here. Nature, the sun. Oh, look at those colors. So pretty. We've got oranges change into yellow, then a beige, beautiful blue, and a black. And I'll tell you another secret. We got to see, Creative Memories advisors got to see the National Scrapbook Day, what we are going to have for National Scrapbook Day, and you all are going to love it. I mean, it's just breathtaking. I cannot wait till we start sharing it with y'all. And if you would like to be a Creative Memories advisor and get in on these exclusive deals and first time things, you can do that for, it's $49 and you get $50 in product right away. So you're basically, they're giving you $1 to sign up, and there are no minimum. So you don't have to, or quarterly, what did I used to have quotas from, I used to sell home interiors, and, you know, we had to quarterly you know, buy so much, and if you didn't sell it, you had to buy it for yourself or have it in your inventory. So aren't these pretty? We've got birds and clouds, and looks like we're getting ready for spring for sure. Golden hour moments. Golden light, golden hour. Nice. From dusk to dawn. Let's see what the papers look like. Yeah, let me show you. Probably easier. Now let's just take them out. And of course, you know, with these secret boxes, you can only get these items by purchasing the secret box. Yeah, we got lots of pretty skies and sunsets. Got some polka dots there. Sunny paper. That's got the cloud paper on the other side. And then, oh, I like that color too. And then that's got your sunset. That's kind of deserty looking, isn't it? That's kind of like a terracotta. Reminds me of. We've got blue here. Ooh, that's pretty. We like to see our skies looking like that, don't we? At night, right? Pink skies at night, sailor's delight. Or is it red skies? I don't know. Someone knows that. Pink skies in the morning, sailors take warning. It might be red, not pink. I don't know. Oh, pretty. There's the sun coming up over the meadow. It's going to be very nature, very, like you said, from dark, dusk to dawn. So coming into brighter times. Oh, pretty. Look how nice they look together. Wheels are turning. Oh, yeah. Of course, there will be a virtual crop challenge with these. Pearlized papers. Pearlized. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely shiny. Shiny, shiny. And hopefully my lights are probably making it really shiny. All the colors match so well. And I was talking to my upline today. We were talking about the National Scrapbook Day papers because we got to see them last night. And oh, pretty. We were saying about how they will go with so many of our other lines. And that's what I love about Creative Memories. You know, you can mix and match the different lines and so forth. Okay, now I know I got a mess over there, and I promise I'll put it together neatly. I just wanted to show you. And I'm going to use the punch in a minute. Okay, so so this goes with, I'm putting together a book, and I'm going to show it after I get it done. My son and I go to the movies all the time. He's my movie partner, and I have been wanting to I always have him pose in front of the poster, and I've been wanting to do a book, and I'm going to use the Showtime papers. All that's left is the tone on tone, and then the Through the Years paper, and I have all those stickers too. Anyway, I will show that project when I get done. I earned this Bold Moves, 100 Bold Moves, so I was excited about that. I got that for free. And then I just have 2 refills. I'm a repositional tape user, and I know I use it too much, but I'm going to go ahead and pause a minute. I'm going to get some cardstock, and we'll use this frame punch. Okay, I had scraps of the gold shimmer paper, so let's do the border first. So, of course, we're going to open it here. All right, and then to do the border, I'm going to start right at this line. I'm going to put the edge of my paper right up to that line, okay? And then punch straight across, and that's going to be our border. And this, the surprise box is, our mystery box, it is $65.50. Of course, if you do sign up to be a advisor, you're going to get the discount. There's different levels of discount. Isn't that pretty? I am liking this. So what you want to do is just as you move it, line it up with the image over here on the end. And then punch. And then bring this and line it up. Make sure you're up against the edge there. I'm not quite in the middle there. Okay, and then same thing, just line that up. Okay, and so isn't that pretty? It does look very sunny. Nice border, and you of course would cut it off there. Okay, now let's do the frame. Now to do a frame, and the way you'll know if you're, and you always want to move your pieces out of the way so they don't get clogged up. The way you will know if it's a border, just a border, or a frame and border, to be a frame, it's got to have this line right here because that's where you're going to line the edge of your paper up. And to do a frame, you need a sheet of paper that is either 4 by 4, 6 by 6, 8 by 8, 10 by 10, or 12 by 12. So that's what you need to be able to do a frame. And of course, we're going to get a short frame here. It's only going to be 4 punches because we have a 4 by 4. But you could do this with a larger square. You've got to have a square, though, to make it work. Square in even numbers. There we go. And so I just keep lining up. So I turn, and what I love is you get squares, really nice squares from there. Okay, and then you just keep lining up the edge of this square with your frame border line. And you, oh, isn't that cute? But you, of course, so if you look at this, if you had a 12 by 12, it would look like that around your 12 by 12. I think I blipped there. That was me. But anyway, that's how it would look. You know, the bigger you get, it's just going to look like you have a sun and the border around it. That's going to be really, really pretty. There's just so much we can do with this. And then, like I said, you get your little squares. You can do things with that, too. Okay, well, that was it. Thank you for watching. This was so much fun. Let me know if you're going to order the mystery box, and let me know if you don't have an advisor and you'd like me to help you, or if you're interested in signing up. Thanks for watching.